whether you live in a van, whatever type of vehicle, RV, whatever type of van living you're doing, you love this time of the season. You love this season, fall. Fall is a great season for anybody who lives in any type of vehicle because the weather is not too hot and not too cold. I painted these. Went to Walmart and bought some letters. They're $1.99 each. My cousin did this little decoration here with these beautiful gold ribbons. She gave me these lights to put in my van. My scarecrow, I think I bought him from like a grocery store, I don't know. That's my pumpkin from, I think it's called Muzan Farm. They're doing these interesting looking pumpkins. It was created like this, like green, kind of got that green vibe. This one here is a nice little pumpkin. I love this park. I just walked up that trail a little bit, but it's unknown to me, so I'm just gonna say it's kind of scary. Look, it's beautiful. It's quite beautiful up the trail. Take a walk with me. I'll go a little farther up here, and I'm gonna go up the stairs, and just go up. You want to go up the stairs? I'll go up some. I'll go up some. Just a second. I'm going up a little bit. Going up, I'm going up. Isn't it beautiful? Fall is so beautiful. Now y'all know I always got on my Skechers. My Skechers are like feet shoes. So beautiful. I got on the wrong shoes, it's muddy. But look up there, isn't it beautiful? Woo! Ow! I'm going. Taking the joy route. Alright, let's look at Limo. Limo is down there. Look at Limo. Look at Limo. I want y'all to tell me in the comments what is your favorite time of the year. And let me be careful trying to get there here. Ooh, I almost slipped. Y'all, you see? And there's Limo. Right there is Limo. I'm gonna show y'all inside my van. We gotta take a little tour inside my van here. Inside Limo. I don't call it Limo because it's fancy, just because it reminds me of a limousine. It's kind of big. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. It's wet out here, but it's beautiful. It feels great outside. Thank you, Stanley, for the cooler and the other products. This is a Stanley product. See the bear symbol. Thank you. I don't think I want to open this. They might not want to know. No, I'm just kidding. Look at Joy Route. Lisa, her channel is 55 and Alive. Lisa, I challenge you to make a video. And she gave me, whenever you are creating beauty around you, you are restoring your soul by Alice Walker, one of my favorite writers. Very beautiful candle, all my little stuff. Look at him, I'll call him George. Hey George, you doing okay, George? That book back there, I've had that book for 20 years by Sark, The Big Book of Succulents. My friend Doreen gave me that when I lived in California. And I think no matter if you're in a minivan, you're in an RV, I challenge you vehicle dwellers out there, decorate your home, spice up your home. Got me some fruit here that I keep in a basket. I cut this stuff up and keep it in my cooler. And I just love it. There's my laptop. Can't go anywhere without my girl. Living a good life on purpose. I am absolutely living a good life on purpose. And I got my bedding and everything back there in the back. And I just lay it out here in the front. Every day or every other day, I wipe out my van. I sweep it out. I use wipes if I can find them. If not, I use a rag with some spray to clean my van just like you would do your home. Look at the beauty all around. Such a beautiful, lovely fall day. You can't beat it. Absolutely stunning. So tell me, what's your favorite time of year? I challenge you, Tina, Journal of Journeys. I believe that's your channel. Lisa, 55 and Alive. I'm tossing the ball to you. Decorate your living space. Do something. Let's keep this going. George, I think you've been holding on for this a little too long, my friend. You got to come up off my wishes rule, George. You through with it? Okay, good. George, this is me. Cheers to George. Toast to you, babe. The joy route, it's not just about the physical route that you take, it's about the mental route that you take. It's about every day that you're on this earth, that you have breath, doing something that makes you happy. My first van I named B after my beloved grandmother, Beatrice. And I didn't know at the time that her name meant joy, one who brings joy. Take the joy route. I mean that every day you should be in pursuit of happiness. Do something that makes you personally happy, that makes you feel fulfilled. My grandmother used to say, the dash between when you were born and when you die, it means something. So always be doing something purposeful, meaningful. Take the joy route. Take the joy route. George, I got the wine, then you went and got my sword? Oh, you trying to have me out there in van life without no protection? Oh, okay. I told you, George, give me this. I told you I come in peace. But how I leave is up to you. You think you got a couple of them gone? There it is. Now I'm a non-violent person, George. I'm non-violent 80% of the time. 20% of the time I reserve the right to be messy. I'll snatch it out. I'll snatch it out. All right, that's it.